Over 20 million people loved our viral mini cheesecakes. Here's the pumpkin version, even creamier and cozier. For the base, all you need are buttery biscoff cookies. Blend, mix with butter, and press into a muffin pan. Quick, simple, and way easier than pie. And now for the best part, the filling. It's rich with cream cheese, cozy pumpkin, and warm fall spices, all blended into a silky smooth batter. The trick is gentle mixing. If you whip too hard, you trap air, and that air expands in the oven, then collapses as it cools, and that's what causes cracks. Scoop into the crusts and tap the pan to release any air bubbles. Our secret to the creamiest texture is baking low and slow without a water bath. The key is not to overbake. They are done when the edges are set and the centers still have that little wiggle. They'll finish cooking as they cool. After chilling, a short freeze makes them easier to peel. Then, top with whipped cream and a dusting of spice. Creamy, cozy, and bite-sized, the perfect fall dessert.
Fall in a bite.